Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to configure an alarm border in WinCC SCADA. This tool is essential for the virtualizing of alarm and alerts. It's allow operator to respond quickly for the critical situation. So as you can see here, as per our client requirement, they want once the any alarm is active, one border should be appear over the form. So, for example, if the alarm is normalized, it's off, then this border should be hide. So let's jump into the configuration steps together, how we can configure the alarm bar. So open the WinCC Explorer and then come in the graphic designer. We already developed in the previous tutorial this graphic screen. We'll open the same. So our graphic designer is open now. So I will select like one rectangular shape and yes, draw rectangular over the form one and effect below color scheme. I will put no. Then the style fill pattern, I will put it transparent option one. And after that, the line weight, I will put it like 3. And the line color, I will change it, border color, I will change it to yellow. So I will readjust it. Oh, fine. After that, I will import one of the SVG image. I will just select and drag and drop it here. You can place it anywhere. Okay. Then I will select both of the like my rectangular and image and I will group it. Right click, group. And after that, um, come here in the miscellaneous display. No, I never want to display once the runtime is open. And after that, I'll put here right click dynamic dialog and select the tag. I will select the common alarm tag and boolean data boolean. I want once this common alarm tag is true or active, in that case, this should display. So as you can see now. So I'll run it and I will show you. So our runtime is open now. So if I will put it true, so as you can see, our alarm border is appear once the value is true. But here something is missing. We want once the value is true, it should flash also or the blink also. Blink option should also be there. So I will go back into graphic designer, select our group and then flashing. So I want to just flash the line only. So I will put it, I will select this flashing line is active. And then what I want, once the flash, the value is true, then it should blink like yellow color. And the false state, I want no any color. I will put it transparency 100%. Save it and run again. So if I will turn on now, So as you can see, now our border color also flashing. It's blinking also. And once I will put it, it will become unvisible. So Alhamdulillah, we learn how we can configure the alarm border in the WinCC SCADA. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WinCC tips and tricks. If you have any question or suggestion, drop down in the comments below. See you next time.